In this video, we will show you how to get your YouTube channel RSS feed. In here, to get your YouTube channel RSS feed, you need to find your YouTube channel ID. Okay, you can using the commentpixel.com and slash youtube-channel-id.php. Okay, then scroll down and type your YouTube channel URL here. How to get your YouTube channel URL? First in here, you need to click more on the channel that you want to copy the link and select this, right click for example, and paste on the YouTube channel and solve the sum for the captcha and click get YouTube channel ID. Just please wait. Okay, for example here, this is your YouTube channel ID. Just copy this. And to get your YouTube channel RSS feed, you need to add this URL and paste the ID of your YouTube channel into the behind, like this. After that, you can try to copy all of this link and you can try to paste and see. Voila, our YouTube channel RSS feed has been generated. You can see how to find serial number of laptop like this. Okay, download video from Pinterest. This is how to download video from Pinterest. And that's all tutorial how to get your YouTube channel RSS feed. Okay, we will copy this URL into the comment section, so you can just copy this and add your YouTube channel ID here. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.